Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening practice podcast, where our main goal is to help you build confidence step by step through clear pronunciation, natural conversations, useful daily vocabulary, and practical sentence structures that you can immediately use in real life situations such as school, work, travel, or casual conversations with friends.
Hi everyone, we truly appreciate that you are spending your valuable time practicing English with us today, and in this episode we are going to focus on daily routines, healthy habits, time management, and simple lifestyle activities that are extremely common in everyday conversations, which makes this topic perfect for beginners as well as intermediate learners.
Let me begin by asking you a very simple but powerful question that English learners can practice every single day in order to improve fluency and confidence. And that question is, what time do you usually wake up in the morning? And what activities do you normally do during the first hour of your day?
That is a very practical question because daily routine vocabulary is one of the most frequently used topics in spoken English, and personally I wake up at around 7 o'clock in the morning, drink a full glass of water to hydrate my body, stretch lightly for a few minutes, and then slowly prepare myself mentally and physically for the day ahead.
Your morning routine sounds calm and healthy. And in my case, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning because I like having extra quiet time before the day becomes busy. So I wash my face, brush my teeth carefully, organize my bed, and sometimes go outside for a short walk to breathe fresh air.
Waking up early can really improve productivity and mental clarity, and after I finish my breakfast, which usually includes something simple and nutritious, I review my daily schedule, check important messages, prioritize my tasks, and officially begin my work at 9 o'clock with a clear and focused mindset.
I completely agree that planning the day in advance reduces stress and increases efficiency. And before I begin my professional responsibilities at 10 o'clock, I enjoy reading a few pages from an English learning book or listening to a short podcast so that I can gradually improve vocabulary, pronunciation, and overall speaking ability.
That is an excellent learning strategy because small and consistent practice sessions are much more effective than studying for many hours only once in a while, and we strongly encourage our listeners to repeat our sentences aloud, imitate pronunciation, and practice speaking without worrying too much about making small mistakes.
It is very important to remember that improving English fluency does not require perfection, but consistency, patience, and daily effort. So even if you practice speaking for just 15 or 20 minutes every day, you will slowly begin to notice improvement in your confidence, clarity, vocabulary range, and sentence formation skills.
Thank you so much for joining us in today's extended English speaking and listening practice session, and we sincerely hope that this detailed conversation gives you enough material to repeat, shadow, and practice regularly so that you can become a more confident and natural English speaker in the future.